Fajr time. The sky still dark. The air quiet. A man walks into the masjid. It's empty. No footsteps. No voices. Just silence. He prays alone, but his heart feels heavy. The next morning, he knocks on his neighbor's doors. Let's go. It's time for Fajr. One man comes, then another, then a few more. Day by day, the masjid begins to wake up. Soft voices, peaceful hearts, rows of believers. The man watches. The same masjid that was once silent now echoes with Allahu Akbar. Not because he waited for change, but because he became the reason for it. Sometimes it only takes one person to bring a whole community back to Allah.